Are you looking for ideas to add more veggies to your plate? A simple trick is to eat the rainbow. Next time you're grocery shopping, make sure your basket is loaded with colourful produce, from red tomatoes to orange carrots, yellow capsicum, leafy greens, purple cabbage, blueberries, mushrooms, legumes, and more. Dining out? Well, the same trick still applies. Order a rocket salad or spinach salad, a side of roasted veggies, or ask if your meal can come with extra steamed greens instead of fries. Ordering edamame with sushi or vegetable soup as a starter are great options too. Now we're going to make a delicious rainbow veg recipe that you can cook at home. It doesn't matter if you're vegetarian, pescatarian, or a meat eater. The key is to create a colourful base with a variety of veg and season it with your favourite flavours. This recipe serves one adult, so you can scale it up to feed the whole family. First, I'm sauteing half a diced onion and a chopped garlic clove for a few minutes to soften. Now it's time to get creative. Pick 4 different coloured veggies, remembering to mix and match the colours of the rainbow. You'll need to chop your veggies into bite-sized pieces before cooking with the onion and garlic. Adding a tin of tomatoes is an easy way to add an extra serve of veg too. Next, pick your protein and seasoning. Choose from lean meats such as beef, lamb, pork, chicken, turkey, or kangaroo. For seafood, I like prawns, white fish, salmon, or ocean trout. And if you're going plant-based, there's legumes, tofu, tempeh, or textured vegetable protein, which is also known as TVP. Cook your protein in a separate pan, then add it to your veg with your choice of seasoning and garnish. For an Asian flavour, throw in a diced chili, half a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of salt-reduced soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. Garnish with sesame seeds. Make it Mediterranean with 1 teaspoon each of dried basil, oregano, and fennel, or you can use a Mediterranean herb mix and garnish with lemon and freshly chopped flat leaf parsley. And if you like Middle Eastern flavours, use harissa, daka, and mint to finish off your dish. Smoked paprika, chili flakes, fresh coriander, and lime bring a Mexican vibe. We'd love to see what dishes you create, so share your veggie creations on social media, and don't forget to tag us at HealthyLifeAU.